Who likes rainy days? Let's go out of town for some fun. Hey everybody, this video is about if you like rain or rainy day. If you like rain, give me thumbs up. And two, if you don't, give me thumbs down. And also, give a comment down below and tell me if you like rainy days or not. So, anyways, if you like this video, all you have to do is 1, give me thumbs up. 2, subscribe, press the bell, you see all my videos, and thank you very much for joining. Bye.